Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Zeke in the kitchen again. I'm doing me a little snack, y'all. I was in the deep freezer looking for something and ended up finding something else. So I ended up finding some little drumettes. About seven little drumettes. So I said, you know what? I'm about to make me a snack. So I put me on a yellow shirt. I put on my yellow cap with the S on it, Southern University. That's what that S stands for. And you see the back, it says Southern University. That's my alma mater, of course. And so I say, well, I will put it on yellow to make some lemon pepper wings. So look, I'm about to do a quick marinade on these wings right quick. This is for a small batch. You can do the same thing with a large batch. Okay, this is how I do my lemon pepper wings. I'm going to put, since I only got 7 little small drumettes, okay, I'm putting a little garlic powder. A little garlic powder on my wings, so I'm not measuring anything. Put a little garlic powder. I'm putting some onion powder. Yep, the onion powder, little garlic powder. Let's go by your own judgment. Okay, I'm putting some what this is here, black pepper. Now on my wings, I'm putting black pepper and white pepper. When you're doing lemon pepper wings, you put whatever kind of pepper you want. So I'm putting fresh ground black pepper on here. Do a few turns on this. This is to marinate it. Then I'm gonna also make like a little lemon glaze for them also. So just a few things of black pepper. That's about enough. Black pepper. I'm about to put white pepper. White pepper gonna give it that little afterburn, I call it. Little after spice. I like white pepper. Okay, a little bit more. I want a little spice in there. Little white pepper. There we go. Just that in there. And can't have lemon pepper wings without lemon pepper. So sprinkle that lemon pepper in there, because this is the flavor that I'm looking for. But we're going to enhance this lemon pepper flavor with lemon juice. I just squeezed 3 lemons. So I put that. Okay, there go that's enough lemon pepper like that. Now I squeezed some lemon juice. I'm about to put some lemon juice in here. Let me see how much I'm gonna pour. Cause this is fresh lemon juice. I won't put too much because I don't want it to cook my. Well, it won't cook my wings. You know, lemon and vinegar and stuff like that is acid. We will cook it. So fresh lemon juice. That's good. And olive oil. Put some olive oil in there. And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna let this sit. That's enough. I'm gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna put them on a sheet pan, and we're gonna let these babies roast. All right, be right back to show y'all what's next. Bye. Y'all left a step out. Y'all like to show y'all everything. So just in case y'all do it, I want y'all for it to taste like mine. I already have put the saran wrap on it. The lemons that I had squeezed, I forgot. Get you a thing like this, a zester. I like to also, when I'm marinating this, I like to take the zest of a lemon. So I'm gonna take the zest of 1 lemon, since I'm only doing 7 wings. Well, that's really 3.5 wings. See that? And I want to put a little zest in there. So put you some lemon zest. You only want the yellow. You don't want the white part. The white part is bitter. Your yellow part of the lemon has the most flavor in it, because that's where all your oils at. So, okay, did that lemon half. Put that in there. And let me do this lemon half. All right, that's all I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna put this it's a saran wrap and put it in the fridge. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, they've been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes marinating. Let's get them out of here. Here, we're about to place them on this wrap with parchment paper. See what they smell like. Oh yeah, baby. Good and limited. That's the thing. Lemon pepper wings. You want to taste the pepper and you want to taste the lemon. If not, if so, they wouldn't have named it that. Okay, y'all see them? Let's see, can I show y'all? Y'all see? Look, I got them all good. What you call them? Now let me lay them on my sheet right here. I want to get all the seasonings on there, all the marinade. Put this one right here. Yeah, buddy. It's my little snack. A little chicken snack. Let's see, a little chicken. Let's see. So I got, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 3 drums. Let's see. That's 3 drums. Okay, this is 4 drums. So I must have 4 drums. That's a drum. 4. Okay, this is a flat. Make sure I get all that on there. So I got 4 drums and 3 flats. You can buy little packs like this out the store when you're doing a single, as I call it, a single man meal. I'm gonna call this a single man snack because it's just enough for one person. Can't share these. That's 6. This make the 7. Yeah, okay. So it's 3 drums and put it like this. 3 drums and I'm sorry, 4 drums and 3 flats. Lay it like this. Put up and make sure my seasonings go on top. I want all this seasoning on here. I'm not wasting nothing, baby. I need all my olive oil. I need all my lemon juice. I need all my I need everything. I'm scraping the bowl. Sure am. I sure am. I waste nothing. I want every piece of, come on, every piece of black pepper, every piece of white pepper. And the reason why y'all didn't see me put any salt on this because the lemon pepper already has salt in it. So you don't want this to be over, you don't want those salty wings. The lemon pepper has lemon, pepper, and salt. All right, let me wash my hands right quick. Get some paper towels. Right. Where I'm at. All right. Some paper towels. I got my oven set at 400. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Let me show y'all what I got so far. Look at that. See, I got my little wings on the tray. I got them on the rack with parchment paper under it with a cookie sheet. And I'm about to roast these little babies for about, we'll check them at 35, 40 minutes, see if they're ready. And I'm about to make the little glaze to go on top. All right, y'all. They've been in here for 35 minutes. And I am about to turn them. I don't have any owls on my stove because I was cleaning my stove. So there they go. I wonder can I flip them with my bare hands. I know I shouldn't do this because they hot, but I can because I'm just gonna flip them. Woo. Okay. So I'm gonna flip them and put them in about 5 more minutes and they should be ready to coat. No, about 10 more minutes. I'm gonna cook these for 45 minutes just to make sure they're done. All right. All right, y'all. They've been in there for 45 minutes. Look at them. They should be good and brown. Yeah, I know they done. Let me Yeah, there we go. And let's take them. I'm gonna take them, and I'm about to put them over here on the cooling rack. Hope I'm on the cooling rack. Okay, on the cooling rack. Oh, cooling rack right here. There they go on the cooling rack. Y'all see them? Look at them. Oh yeah, this how I like them. They are ready. Now I'm about to make this lemon sauce right quick to show y'all that. Right, y'all, in my container that I'm gonna toss my wings in, I melted like 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, pure butter. In there, I'm going to add some pure lemon juice. Put some lemon juice in here. I don't know how much lemon juice that is. I'll put some black pepper in here. Black pepper. And then I'm going to put some lemon pepper seasoning. My spoon there. Here you go. Take my spoon, stir this up. Yeah, baby, they're gonna be limited. Is limited a word? Gonna be one. Let's see. I don't need nothing. Got a little more black pepper. Okay, that's good. All right. See, just a little switcher calm. Sauce like that. Perfect. All right. Gonna add my, that's number 1, that's number 2, that's number 3, that's number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. All right, gonna put the top on this. Put the top on this. Lock and seal. And I'm going to shake it. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Shake it. All right. I'm going to shake it for a few minutes. I'll be ready to show y'all and taste one. This is lemon pepper wings, baby. All right, there go my wings on the plate. I caught myself I just took some pictures of it to make it a presentation, because a friend of mine said, Zeke, you gotta start presenting your food better. I say, shit, it's presentable enough when my blind ass in the kitchen cooking it. I keep a clean kitchen, I cook clean, so how more presentable do you want it? But I guess it meant picture wise. I don't know. I said, shoot, everybody used to say it looked good, so okay, so I put a little lemons around here, a little parsley, don't know what the stuff straight on here, whatever, so oh, don't forget, I used to always say, respect my beard. Y'all see how I think my beard getting? My sister told me let it grow all the way out. Y'all see that? It's thick. And I haven't even, I guess it's combed out. But yeah, respect, that my apron said, respect the beard. So I guess y'all gotta respect the beard when I'm cooking. Or whatever. Let's taste these lemon wings. Yeah, baby. Oh, let's taste it. Hope none of this get in my beard. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm telling you. Lemon. Oh, very, very, very limited. My white pepper. My white pepper got it a little spicy. And And I love black pepper. No, this is good. And not because I cooked it. Well, this is, well, this is a perfect snack. This is the perfect snack. Zeke, ain't nothing else on this bone. You man, show nothing else on it. But I only got 7 of them. Now I got 6. I'm gonna eat one of these flats. I don't want to eat them all in y'all face, and y'all can't be here to enjoy them with me. Can't remember. I eat when I cook. That's one of these flats here. See, one of these flats, I break the bone like that. I take this whole bone and just put it in my mouth. Well, and clean the bone. I clean it, baby. Y'all gotta make y'all some of these. Use black pepper and white pepper and onion powder, garlic powder, and lemon pepper seasoning and lemon juice. Now I'm telling you can't go wrong with that. Right, I'm gonna clean this one. Perfect snack. Hope nothing in my beard, huh, y'all? Or if not, y'all tell me on the video. Now, I'm gonna clean this bone right here. I'm gonna catch it like that. I'm gonna go like that. Clean, baby. Clean. Not even no, baby. No meat for the dog. Y'all have a good one. Here's some good wings, y'all. Make y'all some. You won't be disappointed. Bye, y'all. Have a good day with my crazy.